This video is just a quick preview of one of over 200 step-by-step percussion lessons included in our Conga Chops membership. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and head over to congachops.com to start your free 7-day trial and check out everything we've got on the site. For the last solo we'll analyze in this course, we're going to check out a beautiful solo from the one and only Giovanni Hidalgo on a track entitled Cemento, Ladrillo y Arena from Isaac Delgado's 2007 release in Primera Plana. Now, Giovanni truly is the perfect example of someone with all the chops and speed in the world who understands how to use them tastefully to make them all the more impactful. Of course, first and foremost in this solo, he's playing to the style and feel of the track, a slower tempo cha-cha-cha. This slower tempo allows for plenty of double time phrasing that Giovanni weaves seamlessly with simple melodic phrases while keeping the essence of the tumbao throughout. Don't forget to download the PDF for this lesson, which you can find just below the video player window. Let's listen to the entire solo starting at minute 441 as we follow along with the transcription.
Giovanni Hidalgo.
Giovanni really is something else. A pristine sound, a killer pocket, and the patience and conceptual knowledge to play the right thing at the right time. It's part of why he's able to convey his musical ideas so clearly. Nothing feels rushed or out of place, and his incredible feeling groove really lay the groundwork for all of those beautiful solo phrases. So let's break it down. The solo starts off with a simple melodic shape using eighth notes that's really more of a fill over the tumbao. He then starts using some double time phrasing. In the case of this solo, which is at a slower tempo in 4/4, every phrase in the first part of the solo is written using sixteenths, eighth note triplets, and 16th note triplets. Were we to count the pulse twice as fast, these would be eighths, quarter note triplets, and eighth note triplets. Just something to keep in mind regarding the double time phrasing as we listen along. Now the first simple 16th note shape he plays is made more interesting by the use of accents in different tones. And from what I can tell, he's playing it simply hand to hand, alternating between right and left using ghost tones in between the accents. In the case of a right-handed player like myself, I would play that first open slap with my left to get to the tumbadora with my right. Now from there, Gio plays a triplet phrase using both drums, a small fill to get back into the tumbao for a couple beats, then finishes off this section with 2 full beats of a 16th note triplet roll. Let's check it out.
Giovanni Hidalgo.
Let's check out that section one more time.
Giovanni Hidalgo.
Remember that sticking will always be a personal choice as far as playing different phrases. But in some cases, there may be a specific sticking that makes more sense than others simply for the sake of efficiency. Now, in this next section, Giovanni basically plays 2 bars of tumbao with a couple small 16th note fills in the first bar, implying that double time feel over the cha-cha tempo groove. Now he's essentially playing the first 2 notes of the quinto lock here on beat 3, but because of the tempo, we have it notated in 16ths. He then plays another super funky 16th note chop that employs some 16th note triplets to approach the open tone on the tumbadora. From here, Gio again leads into the tumbao, playing similar small fills to imply the double time feel. Next, he plays another simple 16th note phrase, this time relying on a bit more melodic component between using open tones, the low drum, and open slaps filled in with ghost tones, then plays a triplet with the low drum to get back into the tumbao, and repeats this triplet fill on the high drum, extending it over 2 beats instead of 1. Let's have a listen. Let's listen to that section one more time. Before we move on to the next section, I just want to take a moment to break down the sticking on that first 16th note chop in the most recent section. Let's check it out very slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what we do on Conga Chops and how we can help you further your skills, come check us out at congachops.com. We've got an incredible library of step-by-step courses and lessons, over 10 hours of exclusive practice loops, hand-picked Spotify playlists for each pertinent course and lesson on the site, and an amazing community forum where you can meet and discuss with other members, as well as get one-on-one feedback on everything you're working on. Just click the link below to grab your free 7-day trial and see what it's all about. Now, please don't forget to show your support for our channel by giving this video a like, leaving a comment down below as far as what you'd like to see me cover next, and hitting subscribe so you can catch our new videos. I'll see you in the next lesson.